Isn't it astonishing how nervous system and its various parts help to form human experiences? From voluntary to involuntary impulses, it takes care of everything. There is no doubt that just like its highly complex structure, understanding what's wrong with it and performing medical examination to identify the problems with it is no small feat. And that's why, to simplify the complex, I have designed this PrepClinic medical examination of the nervous system. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shital Ghataliya, Associate Professor in Physiology. I will use my 16 years of experience to take you to a learning journey. We will go over specific questionnaire for taking patient history for nervous diseases and understand their significance. I will also teach you proper steps for evaluation of a sensory system like touch, pain, temperature, etc. Examining superficial and deep reflexes, evaluating integrity of different cranial nerves, examining tone and power of the different groups of the muscles of the body. The focus of the course will be using practical demonstration which help you learn and build clinical skills. Upon completion of this course, you will have learned all the skills necessary for performing thorough medical examination for cases of nervous diseases. You will know what question to ask, which test to perform, and how to build your patient's trust in you. This course aims to help you sharpen your basics so you are better equipped for everyday practice and become a better clinician. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll now and join me in my PrepClinic.
PrepClinic. Dream Beyond.